Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this piece of glass art is exactly what your outdoor space needs this season.
I was amazed at how this green glass ornament looked so different as evening fell. The color of the glass almost seemed to change to blue. It's beautiful day or night, and then as it got much darker, it really did look blue because those little solar powered lights are glowing from inside the glass. So it's almost like you're getting two different lawn decorations in one piece.
I love anything that's made from glass because it looks beautiful day or night. It just sparkles and adds a splash of color anywhere you want to place it in your landscaping. And then at night, it has a beautiful fairy light glow to it because of the solar powered lights it has inside. So it's a beautiful addition to your lawn day or night. And that is my point of view.